Hey you guys, Iris here. Today I'm going to share with you how I reconstitute dehydrated sourdough starter. Here is some sourdough starter that I dehydrated well over a year ago. I'm really curious to see how well it reconstitutes, and I'm really excited to bring you along and show you the process. To dehydrate the sourdough starter, what I did was spread it very thinly on a piece of plastic wrap and let it air dry. You can use a dehydrator, but you want to make sure that the temperature setting is very low. So we've got about a teaspoon of sourdough starter, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of filtered water to it. I'm going to loosely cover it. You do not want a tight seal, just to let any carbon dioxide escape that needs to, and I'm going to let it sit on the counter overnight. Here's what it looks like after sitting on the counter for about 12 hours. So to this, I'm going to add 3 heaping spoonfuls of flour. Now, the flour that I'm using is a 50% mix. It's 50% all-purpose flour and 50% rye. You can use either one. What you don't want to use is anything that has been bleached or enriched in any way. So I'm going to stir this up really well, and I'm going to push it down into the bottom of the glass so that as it rises, we can see all of the beautiful bubbles that it's going to create. And I'm going to let this sit on the counter again overnight. Here's what it looks like. It's been about 16 hours and it has doubled in size. You can see how active and lively it is. I am going to feed it one more time and then I'm going to go ahead and bake with it. Thank you so much for watching today.